Hi there, I'm Ewan Hill, the Customer Solutions Manager for Konnektis, and today I'm going to show you how you could mark some of your visit notes as urgent. That's a really good feature because what it means is if anything important happens on that visit that you think the office need to know about or start recording their own notes and action against, you can just flag it as urgent in the app, and then it immediately alerts the staff members back in the office. And as well as showing them, what you've written, they can also start recording their own notes against it. So there's a really clear audit trail of what happened during that incident. So there's a couple of reasons why that's good. For one, your note taking. It means that anything that happened on that visit that you're at, it's all recorded within those visit notes, so it can easily be gotten back to. And for two, for your compliance, it's really good because it means that there's a clear audit trail of any incidents that happened and any actions that any other staff members other than yourself took against it. And what it means is that your notes aren't trapped there in the home, like kind of in a book, and or they're not traveling around with you in a notepad. It's exactly where it needs to be, which is against that visit and can already be accessed in real time in the office. It's really easy to do. So in my example, I've already pre-filled in some information here. I've just left a comment on observe down the stairs. I'm just going to complete that, and then we're going to come to the MAR chart. So I've already pre-filled E45 cream. We've supported with that is what my buttons mean. Paracetamol, PRN medication, and Fred doesn't want to have it this morning, so it's not required because he can just take that as and when, which visits he's feeling a bit more achy and painy. His Ramipril, though, he's said that he no longer needs to take this. His GP's told him he no longer needs it, but I can still see it in his dosset box. So that, in my eyes, is marked as refused because the medication is supposed to be taken every morning from what my notes tell me, and I can see the medication there, but he says he doesn't need it. So I'm just going to tap on refused, and in our system it just reminds us to write an urgent comment if a medication is refused. It's really easy. We do it just like a normal comment. So you tap on add a comment, and you can either start typing your comment and then tap mark as urgent, or you can just tap it beforehand, and that you've ticked it because it goes kind of bright red once you've done that. So I'm going to do it first so I don't forget to do it, and then I'm just going to write my comment in. Okay, so we've just popped a little information on there just based on our scenario. I'm going to submit that, so I'm happy with that, so I'll submit it. We can see that it's bright red, so it just gives me a little visual indicator to say, yep, Ewan, you've definitely remembered to mark that as urgent. If I had forgotten, don't worry. Just write the comment again and just flag it as urgent this time. It's no problem having it on there as a couple of times. It's more important that the information gets to them, so that's fine. So that's all you need to do, and you can do that with any comment that you do. So don't feel that you can't just do it on one. If there's a few things that happen on the visit that need staff members' attention, you can add other comments on there and mark those as urgent as well. But we're just going to, in our example, just do this one, and we can just complete that, and then we'll just complete the visit as normal. So we've put a little information in here already. We can just complete that, all done, and then that information immediately gets sent to the office, which is great. So I can just show you an example as well. So as you can see, we've got our comment that's appeared in here already. So all of that information gets there straight away. So that's just how easy it is to mark comments as urgent in the app. Thank you ever so much for watching.